Viewers, Major Mackerel Virtual Benefit Concert was a whole vibes. Almost 4 hours of reggae and dancehall gold, where people like Fred Locks, Admiral Tibet, Buru Banton, Peter Metro, Major Mackerel himself, Chakademus and Pliers, Agent Sasko and Capleton tear up the show. Massive, the show was a huge success, but for the people searching for it on YouTube, you're not gonna find it. However, it will still be available on veeps.com until the 20th of this month. Well, Mackerel, tell them yourself. Where the people them know them can get a ticket before.
Well, people, you can get tickets at majormackerel.veeps.com. That's Major Mackerel, MAJOR.VEEPS.COM. You know, majormackerel.veeps.com.
So peeps, the price is more than reasonable for this musical treat. Just grab a ticket and hold a seat. You won't regret it. You see it? And as Sasko say,
whether you do the thing, Major Mackerel big up yourself and massive. You don't know when you go see this or whatever, or if you can still fix things, but you know the thing go. Love and respect.
Links to the site are in the description and the pinned comment below.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!